darn. Those prime ink cars go for Pittsfield too, damn it. Gonna be moving. Just stay right where you are, please. You see, the guy has this. He's gonna be moving very shortly. Like right now, you see the lights? The middle head's green. Just stay put. Just get back, please. Get back. It's for your own good. I'm not trying to hassle you.
I'll be clear of that resident. Nobody's home.
Okay, what the hell happened? Kids go. a guy sitting there in the bar, pokes me in the back, just turn around, there's a train coming down the hill. It's one of the few times I ever got a passenger cars are down there?
Yeah.
They're down there now.
Yeah. I can tell them
Hey, wait a second. I think I see what you're talking about. There's something odd. Holy, no. Thank you for tipping me off on this.
I know, we got really excited.
Yeah. Oh crap, I hope I didn't lose my cell phone. Oh, I plan to. This must be those double deckers going for. Yeah, if it's the original ones, they were built right in Pittsfield. That's a bit of a shocker. What? New version of Pan Am, mixed train. Actually, a long time ago, a lot of the railroads, they had a branch line. Instead of having a passenger train and a freight train, they'd mix it. They'd have the passenger car behind the locomotive, and then the freight. They got those through the tunnel. That's a bit of a surprise. I was having a little bit of difficulty with this camera because I accidentally hit one of the buttons. Yeah, those look like the original Pittsfield jobs. I was a bit surprised too. Must be going for maintenance. Yep. Oh yeah, these are. Oh, this is rare. You'd have to go down to air to, way east of here to see these things in operation. Well, we got an unidentified freight train coming down the hill here. I think we got some foreign power here, but I'm not sure of it. Ooh, BNSF power. Let's see, there's got to be an empty grain train or oil train. I hope it's whatever one. Hell, looks like one engine and a bunch of empty cars right behind him. This is gonna be a repeat from freaking confounded. I can't tell. Damn. One engine pulling a bunch of empty coal hoppers. This is gonna be a repeat from freaking confounded. From the Air Massachusetts video back in 2009, I think it was. Oh wow! Oh. they're doing pretty good with that train with one engine. That's unless they got power on the other end. Can't believe this. Holy crap. bnsf 4303 just being the lead power only. There's no other engines, which this is no joke. Calling Gary Fisher. Damn, this is... You ain't gonna believe this. Wow. Hello? The latest on this train that just pulled up was a about time empty coal train. And with one engine this far west with that size of a train, I'm a bit surprised that they got this far without stalling up on the mountain. But count our blessings. Jeez, I wish they'd do that on the BNA. That'd be sweet. Oh, that's our train there. That's the Mount Tom coal train. Try to zoom in with this camera. The confounded zoom is crappy. Well, we're hoping to catch him when he leaves later on today if there's a crew. Well, that's the latest update. Here we are. We just missed the power and moay in the racks, but we got most of the train, including the power from the empty coal train. Supposed to be a tanker train coming today. That's what we're hoping to see. Here we are, returned to Charlemont for the first time in several months. And 8407. Nice to see some old Conrail equipment. Damn you. We only got half of this in North Adams. We came this far to get the rest. Now we're gonna head back to North Adams and wait for the empty coal train to move and the oil train that's due through. That was one of the first Dash 8 white, Dash 9 white cats. We are at the base of Berkshire East. That's Berkshire East, and we're on 8 a.m. Buckle up Center Road. Another Conrail unit, 8455. Nice. You gotta be kidding me. That was a short damn train. So the second section must be right behind him. That makes no sense. Short friggin' rack train. That's like 264 being downsized, for crying out loud. We've got either a Bow or mbta coal train westbound empties going pretty slow, but we're gonna go and try to catch the head end down by the Williamstown border. And as you can see, there he is. Here we are at State Road by Mass Avenue. And this is one of our old favorite crossings that we shot from many times in the past. And we have the empty coal train will be coming soon enough here. Okay, we had from what I could tell, it looked like it was all GE power, but I'm not sure of it. And they've actually put all brand new rails and ties down, which looks pretty good compared to what it's been. Love that sound off in the distance. Guy down below, he's crazy. So I said, here we are at State Road. He's got a double green on green, which means he's got a clear straight shot upgrade into Vermont. I don't want to. Just go, go, go. Just had my radio with me. This is actually a first westbound shot since the mid-90s at this location. Now our gates are going down. Nice old-fashioned bell, I love it. Well, we missed the local, but we're getting something far superior. .7531 on the point. .9422. And .9896. There's an old favorite. Factory right in view. Ow. Don't need to trip on that turn. We're just west of the center of North Adams, down on by Mass Ave. This was worth it. Got pictures of the local this morning, but missed them. But we got the empty coal train, which was pretty good. Let's hope for piggybacks. Yeah, 2013 started to be pretty darn good to me here. We're by an old factory. Comes the rear end now, and we're gonna head back to the center of North Adams to wait for the piggybacks if we're lucky.